Oh shoot, that's gonna be a great shot right there. I should have took the bear off. It's cool though. We'll leave Silver on there for now. This is 826 Media. Y'all can follow him on Instagram at 826.media. This is really cool. This is my first time. I've always wanted to do a airfield shoot, so this is lit. Oh, mind my manners. Welcome back to another video, guys, with the Masked Messiah. We're out here doing photo shooting rollers. Yo, I just realized he just told me who you were. I haven't met any of you guys, so it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, what's your real name?
Ben.
Ben. Okay, Ben. Nice to meet you, Ben. So I get to shoot with the big time people today. That's cool. I did not know that. When he said he was bringing someone else, I didn't know he was talking about you. Oh, really? Oh, that's dope. Okay. Oh, really? What's the company? Huh. Okay. Oh, okay. That's real cool. That's real cool. So you guys really know what you're doing there.
A little bit.
That's real cool. Wow. Well, I guess I shouldn't. Hello. I just wanted to introduce myself.
I'm Taylor.
Messiah. Nice to meet you. Yeah, that's what he said. I normally like to introduce myself to everyone, just so it's not awkward. You said what happened?
He never introduces me. He's like, man.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. No, I try to introduce myself to everyone. Like, I don't know. I think we should all know who we're talking to or working with at the end of the day. But that's cool. That's real cool. So you like the driver?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Oh, okay. That's cool. Real cool. All right. Nothing wrong with that. Oh. Mm-hmm.
You can get a shot of you on the bike passing, or the plane passing behind you.
Okay.
Jump on the bike.
Oh, freak.
okay stuff, and then it got, like, the lens was just covered in water. You saw me.
Okay, yeah.
So that's whenever I pulled back in to try to get some better shots.
Okay.
The water was not playing good.
Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured.
We can always set up another day to do some.
Okay. Yeah, just let me know for real.
Whenever there's no.
And that stuff. This weather, man. Thank you, Texas.
Well, yesterday we were saying it was gonna rain tonight.
Yeah, it was supposed to rain at like 6 or 7 or something.
And then today all day it's been saying, no, it's clear tonight.
Yeah, it came out of nowhere.
I was on the way to his house and I was like, hey, it's raining here in Fort Worth. And he's like, weird, the weather app says it shouldn't be raining here.
That's
But
crazy.
it was also saying it wasn't even raining where I was at. I'm like, it's really cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you can't believe nothing Texas weather says at this point.
Well, I mean, not the way the weather man.
Yeah, true.
Chance off.
Man, that's crazy. we did the stills first for sure.
Yeah.
Cause what? Yeah.
I was trying the whole time trying to get a shot of the lightning.
Yeah.
I don't know if I did or not, but with the rollers, I know the stills I didn't get anything.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's lightning quite a bit now.
Yeah.
Right?
That's crazy. Yeah, I thought I was. Yeah, I might have to run this back. I thought I was gonna be able to get some willies in, but it's too wet.
Yeah, no,
It's not worth it. So.
Nah, not at all. Not at all. For sure.
We'll get them.
For sure. Sounds good.
You're still want to do that burnout?
Oh yeah, for sure.
You don't have to if you don't want.
Nah, I'm down to do it.
It's fresh.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so wet, so it's not going too much of the time.
Yeah. I might be alright, we'll see.
We'll go like to this like opening right here.
Okay.
I am like the lightning detector right now. I literally just told him you may want to shoot it this way because the lightning's been over there.
Oh, for real? Heck
Sure
yeah,
that
let's
hit
go.
Exactly where I said it would hit.
Right at the
Right
end
at
of the
the
burnout, you let off the throttle and just
Wow.
right behind.
Oh, I know that's a dope shot.
Yeah.
What? Oh, that's sick. Let's go.
Lucky.
Let's go. Way to end the rollers, guys. Heck yeah.
Just a little baby rubber. Just left a little black spot.
Yeah.
You were nice and in one place, not moving, so that's kind of
Very controlled.
very demure.
Ah, that's funny. Heck yeah, that's dope.
I guess I'll go get some food. How do you want to do payment? What's your best?
Cash App, Venmo, and Apple Pay. Or PayPal. The only thing I don't have is Zelle.
Probably Apple Pay. Unless
Okay.
you want me to email you an invoice.
And then you
Okay.
can pay however card,
Yeah.
whatever card you want. That's why I think it takes Apple Pay.
Yeah, it takes Apple Pay, and you can like put your card in there, and you can make an account. So and it's all through Square.
Okay.
It's like legit.
Yeah, it's from our company.
Like the play, like if you go to like a coffee shop, it's the same stuff that they use.
Okay.
So it's like putting your card info in there. It's like. Okay.
So it's like a link?
It'd be an email.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Make your account, and then if we ever shoot in the future, hopefully, you can just.
Oh, okay, cool, bet. That sounds good.
Makes it easy.
I'll get whenever you get back home.
Alright,
I'll
bet.
get your email.
Alright, thank you.
Appreciate it. We'll see
Thank you. Nice to meet both of
Nice to
y'all
meet
as
you.
you
well.
whenever you get home.
And I guess
Okay.
check for more rollers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Literally, I didn't. Yeah.
Bet.
We'll do more rollers.
Okay, bet. Sounds good. Just let me know.
But
Thank you.
yeah, bye.
Alright, we'll do.